Well, oh my gosh, it's our first Snooze of the year.
I knew you were going to do that.
I do it to get a reaction.
I know.
No, but for real, welcome to our first Snooze of 2021.
Genius. The girl is a genius. She had to think about that. You noticed that,
no,
right?
No, I didn't. I was like wanting to make an impactful 2021.
Get to the point.
The point is, it's a new year. Bye-bye 2020.
Thank God.
This is the first episode. And even though it's a new year, same quality mattresses can be found at all 4 of our Texas Mattress Makers locations and online. And you've all talk about that.
Did you just throw something out of you and I appeared here? Talk about that.
It's cold out.
It's beautiful outside. It's not cold. It's cool.
It's cool.
It's January. It's a beautiful day. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to everybody. Online. Let's start with online. Okay. It's very important because it's cold outside.
Yes.
And because we just finished our holidays and people are maybe still a bit apprehensive about going out. So here's what makes us, in my opinion, unique about our online. First of all, the people that chat with you are people that work in this company, such as Rachel. You know, she is just as sweet online, only you cannot see her annex. You know, you can't see all of this.
But I do that.
Seriously, what makes us different is that other companies, what they do is that they know that certain people are going to ask certain questions, and they're pretty much repetitive, and they give these folks pretty much an answer sheet, right? It's a cheat sheet. And you ask the question, they give you the answer, and then direct you to the left, to the right, center, back, forth, up, down, whatever it is that they think they need to answer you for that question. We don't work that way. We ask you very specific questions. Rachel is very, very well aware, and the other folks that work with us on chat are aware of everything that we do as though you came here. And they're going to direct you based on your needs. And they're going to actually chat with you. And they're going to ask you questions that you might not have ever thought of someone asking you when you purchase a mattress. 1, how old are you? 2, female or male? 3, how much do you weigh? How much does your partner weigh? Do you have any physical issues that you need to tell us that we would know that we might need to take into consideration? Those type of things. And then we're going to direct you to a mattress or 2 or 3 mattresses that we think you should have. If we find that you have some issues, whatever they are, that we don't feel comfortable at telling you that you should go to this mattress or that mattress, we're going to tell you to please come to one of our 4 locations. Right? Right now, for example, we are at the main location. This is east of downtown. This is where the factory is. Then we have one in the Woodlands, across the I-Fly that everybody knows, off of 45. Then we have one in Katy, on the north side of I-10, off of East 3rd Street. And
by the In-N-Out Burger.
By the In-N-Out Burger. That's correct. I forgot about that. And then we have our last, or our 4th location, which is in Baybrook, right in front of Target, Baybrook Mall, next to Starbucks. In every location, you have people that are experts at what they do. And if they have any issues, they call other folks that work with us, whether they're internally in production, whether they call me, whomever. The goal is for you to get the right mattress that fits you. So for 2021, here's what I wish you do. There are 4 things you should do to be happy. Actually, this year, 5 things, okay? 1, eat well. 2, have nice thoughts, you know, be positive about what it is that you do.
Positive vibes.
Yes, like this. Actually, yes, like this. If your brain can do what she does on camera, you'd be a happy person, right? Eat well, feel well mentally. Exercise. When I say exercise, you do not have to practice to be an Olympian, but you have to physically move, whether it's walking, bicycling, something that makes you move at least 5 times a week, preferably 30 minutes or more. 4, sleep well. Most people think that because we're in the mattress business, we say sleep well. Well, I'll tell you what, everybody's got the internet, check it out. What is the cause and effect of good sleep on your physical and mental abilities, and what is the cause and effect of bad sleep? So here's something else you're going to find out. 90% of the people that go to a doctor because they have shoulder pain, they didn't do anything physically to hurt themselves, shoulder pain, hip pain, lower back pain, mid-back pain, neck pain, is caused by a mattress that is unsupportive. There is no rule of how long a mattress should last. It's all about your comfort. If you get up in the morning and you're tired, if you know that you toss and turn at night, if your partner tells you you toss and turn at night, if you're sluggish,
not productive,
if you get tired early, right? And there is no other physical issues, I guarantee you it's your mattress. Why come to us? Because we're the best at what we do in the city of Houston. Period. We're the only ones that manufacture everything that we have. We have all qualities, all price points, and we know what the cause and effect of each mattress is to your body. We will not allow you, based on the information that you're going to give us, to get the wrong mattress. That's not the point. The point is for you in 2021 to sleep well, not just to buy a rectangle and a mattress, okay? Now, the last thing that you need to do in 2021 is stop watching the news, okay? I'm serious. I'm talking about national news. I'm not telling you, okay? People, after 2020, I have found that everybody, then it's not a matter of talking about things. People are so uptight and they're so tense, right? Our world is a beautiful place. Today is a beautiful day. She's still goofy. I'm still me.
He's goofy.
Christian behind there is still sleeping like he usually does.
And laughing periodically.
And laughing periodically. That is correct. Everything is fine. Okay? So the fifth thing is really, don't let outside of your world, don't let things outside of your world affect you. And what I'm finding out is, it's the national news. Don't watch that. Eat well, exercise, be goofy like her, and sleep well. You will have a wonderful 2021.
Okay, wait. For our viewers, sorry I'm interrupting. What is your New Year's resolution?
I can't say it on camera.
Nope, don't say it, never mind. We do not want to know. I will just go into mine. Be the best version of myself for you.
I won't be standing here in 2022. Next star. Just joking. Listen, the truth of the matter is, I don't believe in New Year's resolution. I believe in everyday resolutions.
Sure.
No, truly.
No way.
You know, you get up every day is a new day. Right? If God gave you the right to get up this morning and the ability to get out of bed, and you're healthy, then it's up to you to make your life better.
I'm also going to try to learn Hebrew so that I know what he's saying about me in front of my face.
Really? Okay.
Yep.
Since this is recorded... Since this is recorded, that was very good.
Thank you.
Only 2 mistakes. That was very good. So at the end of the year, let's make a pact that we will play this again, and you will know what I said, okay?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay.
אם היא חיה בעוד שבוע, ואני לא הולך לחנוק את האמא שלה,
Said something about my mom.
אז אני אחייך בסוף השנה. We got it recorded. I did say something about your mother. It's not what you think. Okay? I always say nice things about your mother.
That's such a lie.
What do you mean it's a lie? Are you crazy to tell people that? She's going to see this.
I know.
But
Secrets in the shake.
It's in the shade.
All right. Well, we wish you a very happy New Year. Hope your New Year is starting out great.
Yes.
And we will catch you later.
I sure hope you're already filming. I've got a cough and it's allergies.
Really not.
Which is a good thing. You see, in 2020, I tried to teach her, not to interrupt me. 2021, please remember this is our first one. By the last one, which will be, for her sake, 11 more, okay? Because there are 12 months.
Actually, we do 2.
Even better, 23 more.
22, 11 times 2.
Do you know how many people right now that are watching this are going, the girl ain't right?
It is 22, right?
12 times 2 is how
Why
much?
are you doing this? 24.
24 less 1.
23.
This is our first one. Still have 23. 22 for her, but 23 for the rest of us.
And you are not talking about anything inappropriate in that other segment that I'm not here for. Just that.
I would never talk about anything inappropriate.
Okay. All right. We will.
That I think is inappropriate.
Yes. Okay.
Bye-bye.